CompanyCam is the best app that we have found for our business. It's the easiest, most accessible app to use. It's changed our business in so many ways that we harness every single thing that we do in CompanyCam.
American Home Contractors has been able to service additional states with the help of CompanyCam. Our crews use CompanyCam, and we can see even across states what's happening through the comfort of our own office. We service a lot of the Mid-Atlantic, and most of that is due primarily to CompanyCam allowing us to see what's happening in the field in the various areas that we operate in.
Anywhere we're at, we can really just access, and I can help my guys at the snap of my fingers just being able to access CompanyCam. We don't have to drive out to every single job. It saves gas, tolls, time on a person that can be doing multiple projects. Now, it's good to get out in the field, but when you have so many projects going on at one time, or you have multiple guys that you're managing in a department, it makes it a lot easier.
Instead of just providing before and after photos, which many companies do, we're able to provide during the installation process. That way, homeowners know each aspect of that roof is getting installed properly, and so do we. We live in an age where people want instant notification on pretty much anything that they do. It's very important that we keep automations set up with homeowners so they're notified of where their project is and what stage that project is in. We get tons of positive feedback and reviews due to CompanyCam being able to offer that.
Before CompanyCam, it was a cluster. It was impossible to keep track of all the projects, everything that I had to do. I mean, we still had our stuff organized, but it made it very challenging to highlight and show homeowners, because you just got a bunch of photos on your phone that are just text. There's nothing, there's no name, there's no nothing, it's just nothingness. You're just showing them photos. And trying to email somebody that many photos when you're taking 50, 100 photos, wow, that could take hours. It did, it used to take us hours. We used to have one individual person just at the end of the day, just making sure all customers got their photos, 10 at a time. It was horrible.
When we started using CompanyCam, it wasn't just me that was excited about it, it was the entire team. Everybody gave positive feedback. Hey, we love CompanyCam. We love using this. It's so much better than the old way of doing things, and it just makes our jobs so much more enjoyable. Everybody I've managed, everybody that comes onto my team, it's one of the first things they pick up. Out of all the systems and processes we use, that's the first one they pick up, and that's the one they like the most out of all of them. It makes our life that much easier. It's